Hi friends, welcome to my channel Easy Learning Business Studies. Today we are going to discuss about business environment. Every business organization is an organ of the society. So each and every business organization, they are getting all the sources from the society only. Either it may be land or capital or electricity, water, everything. So it exists and operate in association with various groups in the society. Who are all the various groups we can say? What are all the various groups? Like customers, suppliers, competitors, bank as well as financial institution. Not only that, but also we can say government agencies and trade union, media, everything. So all these groups influence the working of business in a various other way. They constitute the environment of business. Now, what is meant by environment? Environment, in a simple term, we can say our surroundings. Now, when we are talking about business environment, the term business environment means the sum total of all individual, institution, and other force that are outside the control of business enterprise, but they may affect its performance. So now we are talking about the supplier, competitor, bank, and financial institution. They are outside the control of business enterprise, but they may affect our business operations, business performance. How? What are the various way in which they will affect our business organization? Suppose you have started a business, the same business you have various other competitors. If your competitors is reducing the particular product, then automatically it will affect your business organization. Now, another example we can take, the government is increasing the tax rate. Automatically, the cost of production will increase, so that you have to increase the particular product cost. And if any changes in taste and preferences of the consumer, then you have to shift. Definitely the shift in demand in the market. What is existing? What is the new product? The most of the consumer will buy the new product only if the changing trend or any fashion. Likewise, increased competitions in the market, automatically if you have more competitors, then you have to reduce the profit margin. Then only you can sustain in the market. So what is basically a business environment? The term business environment means the sum total of all individuals, institution, and other forces that are outside the control of a business enterprise, but they may affect our business operation, our performance. So that is what we are saying, business environment. Let us see the various feature or characteristics of business environment. The first one is totality of external forces. Business environment includes all the forces, institution, and factors which are external to the business organization. So, indirectly or directly, they will affect the business firm, definitely. And the next one is specific and general forces. Business environment consists of both specific as well as general forces. Specific forces include investors, customers, competitors, and supplier, which are directly affect the functioning of the business unit. But general forces, we can say like social, economic, political, legal, and technological, all these indirectly affect the operations of a business unit. Somehow or the other, indirectly they will affect the business organization. Then the next features of business environment is interrelatedness. That is, all the factors, forces of business environment are interrelated to each other. For example, with the inclination of youth towards Western culture, the demand for fast food is increasing. Likewise, various other examples we can say. So, increased awareness for health care has raised the demand for diet, fat free cooking oil, etc. and people can purchase better quality goods and services which will improve the quality, because that is comes under social environment, because their incomes are also rising. So if their income is rising, that comes under economic environment. If most of the persons are earning more money, they afford to buy the luxurious goods, so that comes under economic environment. So each and every forces and factors are interrelated. The next characteristics of business environment is dynamic nature. Business environment is not static, rather it's a dynamic in nature. So it's keep on changing. What is the meaning of dynamic? It keep on changing. Change in consumer taste and preferences of the consumer, entry of new competitors in the market, change in technology, or we can say change in government policies, or these are all the various example of environmental changes. Once the business environment is changing, keep on changing, depends upon the situation, we have to change our plans and policies also. Now we can say the best example, now due to COVID, most of the companies are in shutdown. So here the government given some instruction, we have to follow, we have to obey. So whatever the government is taking decision, we have to accept it. It depends upon the situation. So dynamic nature is nothing but it keeps on changing, depends upon the situation, we have to change our policies and procedure. Now we can say the best example, black and white television were replaced by colored one, that is technological changes. Therefore the business enterprise have to be highly caution, alert and adaptable to these situations. Now we can't say no, I can't produce these type of goods, I will produce only the black and white television. No, it's not at all possible. So business environment is a dynamic nature, depends upon the situation, it will always change. We have to keep on changing the structure and policies, procedure, everything according to the environment. The next features of business environment is uncertainty. We know very well business is having lot of uncertainty. Business environment is very uncertain, as it is very difficult to predict future events. What will happen in future, especially when environment changes are taking place too frequently, as in case of information technology and fashion industries. So it is uncertain, we can't predict what will happen in future. The next features of business environment is complexity. Business environment is very complex, as it is very difficult to know the relative impact of either it may be social, economic, political, technological, or even legal factors. Keep on change in demand of the particular product in the market. So it is really very complex. The next one is relativity. Different nations and different regions have different kinds of business environment. That's why we are saying business environment is a relative concept. Now, for example, we can say here Indian technology is quite different from the technology of Japan. And we can say the best example, government interference in business is lower in USA as compared to India. Similarly, the political condition in USA differ from those in India, or it may be in Pakistan. So the best example, day to day we are seeing these thing, demand for sari may be very high in India, whereas it is almost nil in France. So all these are the example of relativity. Relativity is nothing but different nations and different regions have different kinds of business environment. Hope you have understood what is business environment and what are the various characteristics of business environment. Thank you.